As we step into 2025, many of us are thinking about how we can make this year our best one yet. We set resolutions, make plans, and promise ourselves that this will be the year we finally achieve our goals. But let's be real, we've all been there before. We start strong, but as the months go by, our motivation fades, and we're left wondering what happened. So what's the secret to making 2025 your best year yet? It's not a magic formula or a quick fix. It's actually a simple habit that can have a profound impact on your life. And that habit is reflection. That's right, reflection. Taking the time to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and actions can be a game changer. It allows you to learn from your mistakes, celebrate your successes, and gain clarity on what you want to achieve. By incorporating reflection into your daily or weekly routine, you'll be able to stay focused, motivated, and on track to achieving your goals. So how can you start incorporating reflection into your life? It's easy. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes each day or week to reflect on your experiences. Ask yourself questions like, what did I learn today? What am I grateful for? Or, what can I improve on tomorrow? Write down your thoughts, feelings, and insights in a journal, or simply take a few moments to quietly reflect. By making reflection a habit, you'll be able to approach challenges with a clear mind, make better decisions, and stay focused on what's truly important to you. So if you want to make 2025 your best year yet, start by incorporating reflection into your daily routine. Trust me, it will be worth it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. We'd love to hear from you.